Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Nubian Princess. So today I'm going to make a video where I'm going to ask you guys to basically follow me to get my hair retwisted and do a little style. So I know I said I wasn't going to get a retwist, but as you can see, I cannot walk around like this. So at first I was going to do a video where I talked through my vlog and showed you guys, hey, I'm getting ready to go get my hair done. And then I changed my mind and I was like, let me just go ahead and do a quick video and then do a voiceover. So that's what I'm doing right now. So guys, this is me just showing you guys what my hair looks like in a updo. I am getting ready to leave the house. I have my little Nike red bag. I am basically looking for a perfume to spray. I found the perfume. I just sprayed it on my body. And so now I'm getting ready to leave the house. I'm making sure the TV is turned off. Yes, I know I need to make my bed, but I just didn't have the energy to do it. So now I went to the kitchen to make sure the dog is okay and make sure they have food and water. I'm now leaving the house. I'm getting into my car. My fat behind is squished in there, but it's going to be okay. So finally, I arrive at the hair shop. And this is the hairstylist that's doing my hair. Her name is Rosita. She was so sweet. I think she is Hispanic. Don't quote me. But either way, she, obviously knows what she's doing. You're going to see what she does with my hair at the end of the day. She washed my hair. She actually washed it 3 times. It felt so good. And I was telling her, hey, I'm not tender-headed. You can scrub the scalp, do what you got to do. I'm not tender-headed. So she was just washing it, making sure everything was good to go. And then they also condition it. I'm not used to putting conditioner on my hair. I wasn't quite sure about the conditioner because if you continue to watch this video, you're going to see that the conditioner left like some white stuff in my hair. But she told me that the white stuff was going to go away, that it's pretty much just conditioner and, it's not going to leave any residue in my hair. But I wasn't really sure about it, but I still trusted the process because it looked like she knew what she was doing. So I went under the dryer for a little bit. Now I'm in her chair. Now you can see the white, you see that, right? The conditioner. So that is the conditioner. And I kept trying to, get it out of my hair because I was nervous, but you could tell that she wasn't worried about it. So I was just like, okay, either way, I just need to get my hair done. And if there's residue, I know better next time to tell her don't put any conditioner. So now she's starting to retwist my hair. And you can see she's left-handed. I really like people that are left-handed. For me, I feel like people that are left-handed are smart. I know that, we're all smart, but they tend to be smarter. And a lot of times people that are left-handed can do stuff with their right hand as well. So like they're ambidextrous. They can do both hands. And so I was just so fascinated at the point that she was left-handed. So now she's doing my hair and she asked me, do you want your edges inside? I say, yes, please put all the edges inside. Because I don't like to do edge control or put gel on my edges. I just don't. The last few times that I've done it, it has left white residue in my hair, and I'm not too happy about that. At some point, I'm going to have to do a detox on my lock extensions. But for now, I am okay. So she's going through, basically retwisting my hair, making sure everything is okay. Now, I will say that this hair salon that I walked into allowed me to do a walk-in. I got lucky. I had a hair appointment this morning, and that was the lady that jumped in when I was recording. I think she's like one of the lead or senior stylists. But I had an appointment that I was supposed to get my hair done, and the lady canceled on me like literally when I was on my way. And I'm like, I don't understand. My appointment was for 9 o'clock. I text her at 8:15 saying, can I get the address? And then she texts me back saying she has a headache and she wants to reschedule for afternoon. No, ma'am, it doesn't work like that. We have lives, and whenever we set a schedule, we are working on a schedule. So just like you have a schedule, I have a schedule. So I asked her to give me a refund, and she gladly gave me a refund. I was so happy. And she recommended this salon. It's called the Locked Bar, I think, the Locked Bar. I'm going to have a card at the end of this video. But I did a walk-in, and they basically took me in, and Rosita saw me, and she said she would do my hair. I showed her the picture of the hairstyle I wanted, and this is what she did, and I was so happy. The only thing that I would probably do is sew the bottom of it because, my hair was longer as far as the twist goes. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.